That's the coup. It's a little scary. I'm a little scary. This is Walter. He's probably gonna cry again. This is my bracelet. Fashionable, as always. And it just fed him, obviously. Yep. That's that. Unless you want to hear him cry again. In which case, I'm going to look at his face. Oh, I gotta do my log, which is that little chart thing. And here he goes. 4:52 in the AM. Wah. Alright. You get to hear the chime. Alright. And now I gotta go.